Welcome to Bright Kids Learning. Let's have fun and learn together. Hello, kids. Let's learn a number song. 1, 2, look at my shoe. 3, 4, let's count some more.
5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, counting is great.
9, 10, clap again. 11, 12, dance in the rain.
13, 14, jump so high. 15, 16, touch the sky. 17, 18, spin around. 19, 20, numbers we've found. Counting, counting, it's so fun. Let's all count from 1 to 20. Well done, well done.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bright Kids Learning.